Well, basically the bus is gonna flood. Yeah, floods. It's gonna be weird. I don't know what's gonna happen now. Okay, shit, let's...
Are you filming it?
What are we doing?
Okay, we're almost there.
Oh my god, let me get over!
It's not there, you...
Oh, it's great! What kind of glitch you got up? Just stay as high as you can.
It's not for like
I might get wet.
Bloody!
Yeah, well, I could just run.
Use your ninja skills and jump off.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Okay, I don't know where to come. I'll probably come with that. Oh my god, it's gonna be bad. No, that's not it, is it? It's like a bridge. Don't stand near me. Okay. No, that's a little one.
Oh my god!
Okay, I was mixing up. Okay, there it is.
Oh my days!
Well, Henry's going on the floor, pick it up.
Huh?
That's yay.
We're getting ready now.
Oh my god, that looks so much fun!
What's your name?
Oh my god! Ah, shit! No! Fuck! Oh shit! No!
It's water.
Ah shit! Look at that! That's what you call a fucking flood.
Sean, are you still filming?
Hello, Corey. Oh my! I'm putting YouTube in there. Shit! Oh! Okay. Okay. Alex. Oh shit!
Oh my god, I've never seen anything like this!
Here we go, it's all out, and that is a bus flooding. Enjoy everybody. Alright, goodbye Alex, have fun.
Oh my god, that is the worst thing I've ever seen. Just waiting for it to go.
Hello Ben. Hi Sean. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall.
Did you record that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
It looked like sick.
Oh, you put it on YouTube.
I'm putting that on YouTube.